Many times in our work, we are approached by potential clients almost too late in the process, so I'd like to share with you today how and when to engage your architect. First, if you are moving a door or wall in a commercial space, you most likely need an architect. Any change impacting egress needs to be reviewed and possibly submitted for permit with an architect's seal. We can also tell you if you need other engineering seal drawings, saving time and money even on the smallest commercial remodels. Second, ideally we go through what is called a visioning and programming process. Our job is to ask questions and give you options that may include an increase or a reduction in your square footage needs. We often bring partners to the table depending on your needs in the space we are walking, whether that is a specific engineering system or construction partners. We like to partner with these experts early on as well, particularly for cost conversations, so you and your client can make informed decisions. Once you have confirmed the space you are purchasing or leasing, we then enter a formal engagement for design and construction administration through project closeout. Interested in chatting more? Connect with me on CrewBiz. Thanks.